Tommy.
Welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna give my lovely mannequin Miss Kim a hot makeover. So let's start. I'm gonna remove this nice little wig of hers, and I'm gonna remove her makeup as well with my special ingredient, acetone. Acetone lifts off everything, y'all. I learned that in cosmetology school, so y'all keep that in mind. Okay, this is the best it's going to get, I'm gonna be honest. So I'm gonna just wipe her down with some water, and we will start with the foundation. Y'all, in this video, I'm using this makeup I typically use in old makeup, so no judgment passed. But before the foundation, I am gonna start with primer. Everybody know this trick, milk of magnesia. Okay, Miss Kim ain't too good for milk of magnesia, so I'm gonna put some of that on her. I don't even know if I should have used primer. But like this title says, this is a fail. I don't know if I'm too happy with the ending result. Y'all see, just continue to watch. But maybe this was a step I could have left out. But this is how I do my makeup, and that's the only way I know. Dab, dab, dab. So yeah, I chose to redo Miss Kim's makeup because we are in quarantine and I'm running out of things to do. And on top of that, her makeup wasn't looking all that great. Okay, it was looking okay. It looked like it was like melting off. So long story short, I wanted to redo her makeup. So this is why I'm recording it to show y'all. And it helps you sell your wigs if you have a nice mannequin with a nice face of makeup. She looks more attractive, and so does your wigs. Keep that in mind. So right now I'm doing the concealer for her under eyes. I don't know if I should be talking. I never said this was a tutorial, but I want to let y'all know what's going on. Yeah. By the way, I am in quarantine right now, and I looked up on How to Get Away with Murder, y'all. It's getting a little juicy. I started watching the first few seasons, and I'm kind of lost, I ain't gonna lie. But thank God for Netflix, so I can go back and rewatch all the episodes I need to refresh my mind with. But y'all, I'm at the part where they said Sam was messing with his sister. And Frank, okay, let me not say anything else, but this is a good, interesting part of the show, Abby. I'm really doing Miss Kim's face like it's my face. I don't know. This is when you have time on your hands. But I added a foundation along, well, in between her concealer and her foundation. That line right there, on another lighter foundation. Blending that out. And yeah. Y'all just about to see, I don't know, stay tuned for the biggest mistake ever. Oh my gosh, it's kind of embarrassing, but whatever. I'm not gonna do this all over again. And I saw a famous makeup artist do his concealer like this, so this is why I'm doing that, y'all. When I say I had time on my hands, this is what I mean. Like, I was doing things I don't even normally do, but we will see how it plays out. Y'all know what it is when y'all see this powder. It's time to bake, so let's get to it. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop talking, but you have to contour, of course, and a lot of these tricks I've seen makeup artists do, so I'm gonna repeat them. I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm a creative, so let's get creative today. So you contour the nose and all that. And this trick I really did see, I think Kylie Jenner's makeup artist does this, but you know, who knows, everybody probably does this now. You gotta cut that contour, girl. That's how your cheeks look like Naomi, okay? So yeah, y'all give this a try. Always set the liquid with some powder if you want it to last. But y'all, this is when I make the biggest mistake. Woosah. So I'm about to try drawing her eyebrows, okay? So yeah, y'all just watch. Okay, I'm back. Listen, I was just drawing. I should have left her old eyebrows, like a trace of them, so I don't know what shape to do. And I thought about that as soon as I wiped her face, but I was literally trying to draw her eyebrows with no guide. And y'all will see that her eyebrows don't even look like sisters. They look like distant relatives, okay? But we're just gonna say Miss Kim was winking. So this is a mannequin makeover that likes to wink. So yeah, y'all keep that in mind, and please, please don't judge me. This was an experiment. So I did her eyeliner off camera. Now it's time to wipe off her contour. I'm sorry, her bake. And I also did her eyelashes off camera as well. Yeah, I used Gorilla Glue for her eyelash glue, not the duo or anything like that, because these have to stay on, honey. For the most part, I'm done with her face. Now to add some pigment to her lip. Wow. I did her lip. I'm doing a little highlight right now. You know, she still got a glisten, and she doesn't look that bad, okay? But I also feel like I messed up with the spray paint. Last time I never used spray paint, so that's why her makeup just fell. So I was so excited to get some this time, but y'all will see. I think I overdid it. Tell me what y'all think. Okay, so we're done. We had to change locations on y'all. But this is Miss Kim. She even got her little choker. You know, she stepped her game all the way up. Look, she's winking at us, y'all. Look at her. But yeah, this was a little voiceover of what I did over quarantine. I decided to redo my mannequin. Y'all, one day I'm going to just shave her all the way bald, so don't judge her sparse hairs. But bow. Look at Miss Kim. She done got her a new wig. She stepped it all the way up, hunty. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that bell. Subscribe. Okay? It will help me a whole lot. Leave a comment and like. Of course, share this video with anybody you know who will be interested in watching me. But until next time, y'all have a great rest of the day. Bye.